All right. So I know I wouldn't trade, but I know I said I wouldn't trade, but I found my setup. I took my setup. Looks like we're about to lose. Get stopped out. Um, so we're targeting 1 to 3. I don't want nothing more than that. And then I'm gonna take one off at 2R, which will be 12 points. 12 points would be 64.50 right here. Once we close above this high, I'm gonna move to break even. I'm just really protective of any type of risk we got today, just because we got NFP later this week, and really I shouldn't be trading today anyways. But the setup was there. It was on the 1 minute time frame, so that's a little bit different, but it was still the same concept. Um, Trading views not really loading. There we go. Um, it was the same concept. It was liquidity sweep right here. Swept out 8 a.m. low and London low. Took that out, and then once the market opened, we broke structure to the upside. We waited for a PDA to get tested. It got tested here, failed that. It tested this PDA right down here, also failed that, and then tested down here, and then we broke structure to the upside. I wanted to enter on the closure of this candle, but it was way too high up there. I couldn't justify entering all the way up there. So I waited, thought price would come back down here. It didn't. We formed a fair value gap, so I put my limit there. We just got stopped out. That's unfortunate. Please let me cancel my orders. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out, and then TPs are gonna get hit. So that fucking sucks. But 296 we lost on commissions. So that sucks. But still great idea. I'm not mad at it. Waited for a violation of this fair value gap here. Entered on there. Got a break of structure as well. Wanted to enter on there, like I said, but waited for the PDA to get retested. It got retested, and then we entered. So that was still pretty good. It's gonna be unfortunate because we're gonna hit TP, but anyways, that's a quick little trading day. Probably the fastest video I got on here. Yeah, the setup was definitely there. Not mad at taking that at all. I'll eat that $2 loss on commissions. That's fine. Wanted to see us really trade up to here, even up to these. The reason why I took a trade today, even though I said that I wouldn't, is because look, we literally have a 11-point gap between these two session levels. So we are going to hit these levels. We are going to. There's no way we don't. It sucks we got stopped out though. there's not really anywhere I can re-enter this. We're not gonna come back down and tap into this fair value gap again, because that's what that wick was. It stopped us out. So I'm gonna get off of here. If you took longs today, good job. You're on the right side. Sucks I wasn't there with you, but we're still doing good. Still chilling.